Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study late night and early morning. Start by setting one clear goal and pick a single subject to focus on. Break your session into 25 to 50-minute blocks and schedule 5 to 15-minute breaks. Keep lighting warm and non-glaring to preserve alertness. Lay out snacks and water and open only the apps you need to stay focused and smooth your workflow. Late night and early morning studying works with your sleep, not against it. Identify your natural alertness peaks and place hardest tasks there. Use short naps of 20 to 30 minutes to reset energy without deep sleep grogginess. Time caffeine carefully and avoid it late enough to spoil morning rest. Wind down after morning sessions to protect daytime sleep and keep consistent sleep windows across nights to stabilize performance. Keep focus tools simple and repeatable so your late night or early morning routine becomes automatic. Use one timer for focus blocks and one note file for all summaries to reduce context switching. Practice active recall at the end of each block with quick self-quizzes to reinforce memory. Remove notifications, close non-essential tabs, and use gentle background sounds if silence feels harsh so studying stays calm and productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.